Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a Shopify logo with Canva. Now I'm going to give you the steps to take. The first step is called planning and inspiration step. Now here you need to brainstorm. So you need to jot down keywords related to Shopify store, for example brand name, products or target audience. Then you need to find inspiration by browsing through existing Shopify logos, successful brand logos, and design trends on platforms like Pinterest, Behance, and Dribble. Once you've done this and you continue planning your inspiration, the next thing you're going to do is to open Canva. So create a new design in Canva. In Canva, select the custom dimensions, or you can enter 500px width and 500px height, or a similar size. Next, you have to choose a color palette. Select colors. Choose between 2 to 3 primary colors that represent your brand, e.g., vibrant for a trendy clothing store, earthly tones for a natural products brand. Canva offers color palettes and tools to help you choose. After choosing the color, the next thing you need to choose is the font. You can choose between 1 to 2 fonts that are easy to read and complement your brand style. Canva also offers a wide variety of free and premium fonts. The next step is to create your logo elements. Elements like text, add your store name or a shortened version like initials. Experiment with different font sizes, styles, and colors in your text. Next, icon and symbol. This is optional, but you can also use Canva's elements, search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that relate to your brand, e.g. a coffee bean for a coffee shop. Then, you can also create your own. If you have design skills, you can just simply create your own icon or symbol, and then you combine these elements. Arrange the text and icon or symbol creatively. Consider using different layers, sizes, and positions to create visual interests. Once you're through creating your logo, the next thing to do is refine and adjust. Experiment with color combinations. Try different color variations to see what looks best. Then adjust the spacing and alignment. Ensure the elements are balanced and visually appealing. Then share your logo with friends, family, or other trusted individuals for their input or feedback. Once you're satisfied with your design, next is to download and export. Download your logo in the appropriate file format. It could be PNG, JPG, or SVG. And once you've done that, you go to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, click on themes, customize the theme, and then upload your logo in the designated section, usually under theme settings. Now let me give you some tips for Canva. When you're using the Canva app, it is very advisable to use the Canva templates because Canva offers pre-made logo templates that you can customize. Also, don't forget to experiment with filters and effects. You can add subtle effects like shadows, gradients, or outlines to enhance your logo. And save your logo design in Canva so you can easily make adjustments or create variations in the future. Remember, for the best, keep it simple. A clean and minimalist logo is often more memorable and versatile. Also, use your logo consistently across all your marketing websites, social media, and business cards. Then, if you're not confident in your design skills, consider hiring a professional graphics designer to help you maintain your professionalism. By following these steps and using Canva's intuitive tools, you can create a professional and eye-catching logo for your Shopify store. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.